If this has found you on November 14th, then this message is for you. This is your synchronicity from Spirit. So let's see what you need to hear today. I'm going to go ahead and shuffle so you guys can see these cards. Okay, two just fell on the floor, and I'm already getting some downloads. So I think this is something that we're going to jump straight into. We have a lot to cover. Okay, so the first card that I'm seeing here is the Hierophant. Okay, and then underneath it we have the Six of Cups, and then we have the Fool. Okay, so it's interesting. So the vision that I received while I was shuffling, it happened so quick, but I saw this like concrete castle, and it's been through so much. And like when rock gets worn down, it turns to sand. I'm seeing like this castle was beautiful at one point, but it's been through so much. It's wearing down, and it's like, how much longer can this castle stand before it just falls and it just becomes sand? So I feel like there's something going on in your life. You're trying to keep it all together. You're trying so hard to keep it all together. At one point, it was great. Back then, things were great, but right now, you feel like, is this castle going to withstand all of this? Or is this the end of it? Like, is this going to just collapse into sand? And I feel like you're wanting some reassurance that it's all going to work out and that it's all going to be okay. Now, with that being said, when I'm looking at these cards, the High Priestess is making me feel like you have these very ascended angels around you right now, and they're trying to let you know that it is okay. And you need to go within, because I feel like you're very stuck in your head. So your head's going crazy with this anxiety, and you're starting to believe it. And these spirit guides are saying, we're actually whispering to you the truth, but you can't hear it because your brain, your mind is so loud right now that you can't hear the intuitive whispers that we're giving you. Now, how do you know the difference between intuition and anxiety? Easy enough. Intuition comes with no emotion. Okay, you'll get these knowings, and there's no emotion that comes with it. Even if it's negative, there's no emotion. It's just like a knowing. So if you're stressing out and you're thinking these things over and over, that's your mind. Okay, you gotta turn the mind off and go into your body. With the Six of Cups coming out, it makes me feel like there's something beautiful getting ready to come into your life. And with the Fool coming out with it, it makes me feel like this is like a beautiful new beginning. And I feel like there's a lot of growth. I just get like this rebirth energy. It's like this new fertile energy that's entering your life, which is funny because we're in Scorpio season right now. So it's like, it's a weird time for this rebirth. You'd think that it'd be happening like in the spring, but no, like the time is now. It's all about divine timing. And right now is your divine timing for this thing to come into your life. So take a deep breath, know that your castle's going to stand, and there's something amazing right around the corner. You're almost there. Let me know if it resonates.